Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can remove your conversation from both ends on Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. So let's open up the Facebook app. Here you can see tap on Messenger. Let's open up one of the chat. And here you can see let's send them thumb. And now all I have to do is tap on that like again. And here you can see the remove option. Tap on it. Now, here they give you two options, unsend for everyone and unsend for you. So if you tap on unsend for everyone, that means this message will be deleted from both ends. And if you unsend for you, that means that this message will be sent to the other person, but it will be deleted from your side. So all we have to do is unsend for everyone. Now tap on unsend and you can see this message will be unsent. Of course, there are limitations for this message. If that person received your message, so you won't be able to remove that message. And so this is the one and only simplest way to remove the conversation from both ends. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.